Welcome to Touch to Click. Today I will show you how to use the Unhook Chrome extension to control distractions and customize your YouTube experience. Now let's get started. In this video, you will learn how to install, enable, and adjust its settings step by step for better focus while browsing. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Unhook YouTube extension. This helps you find the official extension page where the tool is available for installation. Step 2. Select the extension link for your browser and click Add to Chrome. This button is located on the extension page and starts the installation process. Adding it to Chrome allows the feature to integrate directly into your browser. Step 3. After installation, click the extensions icon at the top right and pin Unhook. This makes the extension icon visible on the toolbar for quick access. Step 4. Turn on the Unhook extension. This activates the tool so it can start modifying your YouTube layout. Enabling it is necessary for any customization to take effect. Step 5. Go to YouTube homepage. This is where you will notice changes made by the extension, such as hidden recommendations. Visiting the homepage helps you confirm that the extension is working. Step 6. Open Unhook settings and uncheck Hide Home Feed. If you want videos visible, this option controls whether the homepage shows recommended videos or stays blank. Adjusting it lets you choose between distraction-free mode or normal viewing. Step 7. Open any video on YouTube. This allows you to test how the extension affects the video page layout. It helps you see which elements are hidden or visible during playback. Step 8. Toggle Hide Comments in Unhook settings. If you want to hide comments, this removes the comments section to reduce distractions or negativity. Turning it off will bring comments back if needed. Video sidebar in the Unhook menu to show or hide the sidebar. This controls the suggested videos panel next to the player. Managing this option helps you stay focused on the current video only. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.